Hi boys and girls and parents. I'm going to be showing you how to write on a document for your assignment. I know some of you have been curious about it, and so I decided to make a quick tutorial. So I'm in Edmodo and I am in one of the assignments. So what you do is you click on the attachment and it automatically opens up. Some of you are already using Microsoft Edge, which is this E. It used to be called Internet Explorer. If you're already using that and it pops up, you're already ahead of the game, so wait on me. If you're using Google Chrome and it pops up, you don't have the option to edit the document on this web browser. So what you're going to do is you're going to download the document. So download is a little arrow that pops up at the top next to the printer. You can save it under the file name that it has, or you can change it. That is completely up to you. I'm going to click save. You will see it at the bottom left-hand corner. The file will have a little arrow next to it. You want to select show in folder. That's going to bring up your downloads file or folder, sorry. Once in your download folder, you're going to locate the document, the PDF, and you're going to right click. We usually left click to select something. When you right click, a menu is going to show up. In that menu, you want to search for the option Open With and select the Microsoft Edge. Just give it a moment. When your document opens up with Microsoft Edge, you're now going to get the option to you're now going to get the option to edit it. So at the top, you're going to have a little pen with add notes. Click on that. And you're going to be able to use a pen, a highlighter, and an eraser. I had already written on this document, so I'm just going to erase it. This is what you should see. So with the pen option, you should be able to circle, write letters, write numbers. All right, you can write on the document. Once you're done doing your assignment and writing your answers and showing your work, the way that you save your work is by going to the top right hand corner, and there's going to be a little square with a pen. All right, and that is the save as option. You don't want to click the save option. The save option isn't going to save it. It's just going to pretty much save the original copy, and we want the copy with your work. So you're going to click save as. Again, that is the little like floppy disk with the pen. And then it's going to give you the option to rename it. What I would do is I would just put completed at the end, so you know that's your completed copy, and hit save. All right. Once you have saved it, you're going to go back to Edmodo and select that attach button. I don't know what this is doing there. There, we can remove this. So click that attach button, select file from computer, and again, all of your files are going to open up, and you should see the file that you saved. It might not be in downloads, so try looking in documents. Oh, there it is. Completed. I'm going to click on that, select open, and it will automatically upload, and you can hit the turn in assignment button. That will automatically come to me, and I will be able to see your work. I hope this helped.